Hi mga langga, maing hapon, happy Saturday na naman mga langga. Kaya imagine, tapos na naman yung fortnight at sahura na naman. So sasahaw na naman tayo sa Thursday pohor. So isubmit natin yung ating time record tonight. Pag-uwi natin sa bahay. So grateful, successful week, no? Successful 2 weeks, no? Every 2 weeks kasi yung sahod ko mga langga. So ayun mga langga, yung pera na yan is nakalaan yan for the future. And siyempre, sa mga daily expenses, sa mga gastusin, sa mga bills, sa mga bla 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 dyan sa buhay. Pero mga langga, ang importante yung happy ka sa trabaho. Ako I'm happy na I'm working every day kasi ang iniisip ko mga langga is yung meron akong pera, no? At the end of the day, meron akong pera, na-exercise ko yung aking sarili, na-exercise ko yung aking pagka-Pilipino, pagiging, yung hello mga katingker, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. At dito na naman ang inyong si Mrs. Katingker, ang nagsabing, magsabi lang tayo at magkwento tayo ng mga bagay na totoong nangyari sa ating mga buhay mga katingker, o mga nangyari sa buhay ko mga katingker bilang Pilipino dito sa Australia. Paano ako naging practical sa buhay, no? Sa mga bagay-bagay na dapat maging i-apply ko yung practicality in life while I'm here in Australia because I have family to look after mga katingker. So this year my planning board says that I'm not going to buy any shoes and clothes etc for Christmas mga katingker as a gift to myself because I don't need it. I have a lot of shoes, I have a lot of clothes, and I'm planning to give away some of my clothes to people that can use it. So it's practical mga katingker, no? So that's one thing of saving some money for the future ahead mga katingker, no? So don't buy shoes and clothes because I have to practice that, no? Best practice makes life easier. So when we practice practicality in life, not into terms being thrifty or in Tagalog kuripot, no, it's not wrong. So it's practicality, practice how to spend wisely. It's very important. Even how much money you have, you don't really notice that, oh, I'm run out of money because I spend a lot, no? I go to the pub, I drink a lot, I smoke, those things. But those things is quite hard to combat, like smoking. It's a big problem because it's not safe as well if you stop quickly your smoking habit, no? We just needed to slow it down bit by bit and look for solution, no? That's my thinking mga katingker, no? That's the way I think in life. I was always thinking about what's gonna happen tomorrow. So it's one way of saving some money mga katingker, no? It's important to have create a list, no? Sometimes we just go to the shop and we get tempted. Oh, there's on sale. We always get tempted when we go to the shop. Oh, it's on sale. Oh my God, sale is too tempted to buy. So yeah, that's why I try to avoid going to the shop. I only go to the shop if I'm doing shopping for my client. That's the way I think Mrs. Katingker think. That's all mga katingker, no? Simple things in life that we can achieve some goal, no? Goal. Yes mga katingker, ganun lang talaga ang buhay, no? So now I'm vlogging. I'm in the car. I'm vlogging like just a normal, like I'm talking with you. I'm talking with you and sharing with you what is my practical life approach, no? I'm not professional counselor or any profession, but I can share what is my application to my personal life, no? How I save money mga katingker. So there's a lot of ways that we can save money if we think really and practice it, Even we plan to be practical, but the problem is we didn't execute the plan. So if we have plan, we have to execute the plan mga katingker. But if you have a wife and then you want to be practical, you have to come up with a conversation with your husband and your kids, and you would say, oh, if you call your husband darling or honey, sweetheart, whatever, if you can ask him, oh darling or sweetheart, can we have a chat? just for our plan for this year, or what we're going plan to do. Because you know, I feel bad because I'm not working. For example, I'm not working and my husband is working, and I'm spending and spending and spending, buying stuff that we don't really need. So it's not practical way of thinking, you know. Just spend, spend, spend. You know, when you go to the shop all the time, you just spend because you get temptation. Is, you know, temptation is always there. I don't know why. What's in the store that when you go to the store, you always get tempted to get something. Like for example, if you go to IKEA, when you go to IKEA and you only need one thing, and you end up buying different types of item because you get tempted, you know. Yeah, that's right, mga katingker. That's the way I think, mga katingker. So have a communication with and talking. Talking is very important in family. Having a good sit-up conversation and set aside those pride and argument and try to come up with a plan. Like you have to write all what you needed and what you don't needed, you know, this year, whatever. There's some simple way of saving some money, you know. Like if you go restaurant every week, and maybe avoid that. Instead of going to restaurant, maybe do cooking with healthy food. And you know, cooking is good as well to it's one way of bonding with kids and husband, you know, something just to have a normal conversation with the family. That's for me, mga katingka. That's just my instinct, no. But this is only my opinion and my share, my thoughts for you. If anybody would like to, if you like what I'm talking about, don't forget to subscribe. I have a previous video that I'm talking about in Tagalog is practical ang kailangan sa panahon ngayon. If you like it, you can watch it too. So this is Mrs. Katingker. I'm going to end this vlog because I'm going to start my job. So I'm not like now, I'm practical because I'm here instead of going home. But I only have 1 hour gap between each job. So I decide just to park outside and have a chat with you and talking about what's my plan this year. So my plan this year is I'm not going to buy shoes and clothes. It's not important for me. So that money, it goes to my trust fund. So for example, my Christmas gift is $500. So I don't need that $500 this year. I have to put that to my trust fund. So that's the way of thinking, being practical, but not being too thrifty, no? Because I'm not thrifty if you ask me about food. So that's all, mga katingker. Ang inyong Mrs. Katingker ay nagsasabing and sharing with you just true facts. True things that I applied to myself. And sometimes we need that practicality in life because of the situation as a Filipino. Even though you're rich, you still need practical things, practical mindset, no? Not to being thrifty. Alright, Mrs. Katingker is nagsasabi, when we work, we earn. When we listen, we learn. Alright, Mrs. Katingker ay nagsasabing, huwag niyong kalimutan, subscribe. If you like my video, like and share, and bye-bye. Mrs. Katingker is always thinking about the future. Bye, everybody. Thank you.